Guys, I'm so excited because in today's video, we are doing an unboxing of seeds and seeds of culturally meaningful African vegetables. So if you have been looking for seeds of these culturally meaningful African vegetables to grow in your backyard, you are in luck because today I will share with you where you can find them out here in the diaspora. All right, so this is my package. We're gonna go ahead and open it together. So this package is from True Love Seeds. They are a company here in the USA and they are dedicated to growing these culturally meaningful seeds and making them available. I just love their mission statement. So guys, these are seeds from the African Diaspora collection. So if you're out here in the diaspora, you want to grow some of the vegetables that you grew up eating and have them fresh, I'm here to tell you it is possible. And you can get the seeds. All right, guys, the first pair, Peri Peri mix. Peri Peri is a type of pepper, a type of chili. There are at least 25 seeds in here. Takes about 80 days to maturity, 80 days from when the plant is ready to go in ground. Okay. And we have garden eggs. Garden eggs are African eggplants. They are about 40 seeds, a minimum of 40 seeds in here. So that's a lot. 40 seeds, and this one takes about 88 days to maturity. So this is a foshoko or Lagos spinach. So we have about 275 seeds in here. This only takes 30 to 60 days to mature. I will highly recommend you try it out. All right, guys, look, another type of garden egg. Actually, I have this one growing already in my greenhouse over there. I started the seeds in January, so they're about ready to go in ground. This particular variety I recommend because it has a very short time to maturity, 60 days to maturity. This Intore African garden egg, try it. There are about 50 seeds, a minimum of 50 seeds in here. Oh my goodness, my favorite okra. Look, just see how pretty this okra is. This is the Hill Country red okra. Pretty okra. I've grown this before. They are so good looking, delicious. They grow quite tall, about 8 feet. We have about 40 seeds in here, a minimum of 40 seeds in here. And this takes about 70 days to maturity. I usually wait for the weather to warm up around here before I start growing my okra because it does well in the summer. Absolutely try this. All my African people, okra soup works very well with this okra. Just look at this, how pretty these peppers are. These are your Scotch Bunnet peppers. Oh my God, I can't wait to try this particular one. I grew a lot of Scotch Bunnets last year. I will be trying out these ones. These are used in Caribbean, African cuisine, used to make jerk chicken. If you try jerk chicken, this is the pepper that is used to make jerk chicken. We have about 12 to 15 seeds in here. That is a lot. And this one takes about 90 to 110 days to maturity. So a little over 3 months. My favorite, you know, I always talk about Jama Jama on Jamsu, or the African garden huckleberry. Here, the seeds are on trueloveseeds.com. I'm telling you, they have all the culturally meaningful vegetables. So for me, this is the vegetable of my ancestors. One day I'll get my seeds on trueloveseeds.com, but for now, I am happy to have been part of this journey. You can get your seeds, your Jama Jama seeds from trueloveseeds.com. Moving right along, did you see that? Egusi. And I have grown this Egusi before and I harvested a ton of Egusi melons. Yes, these are our African Nigerian Egusi that we eat the seeds, you know. They peel, they dehull the seeds, and then it's used to thicken soups, make Egusi soup. You can grow Egusi. It takes about 6 months to maturity. Each pack has about 15 to 18 seeds. When I grew this, I actually had just one seed and I got a lot of melon, so you don't need that much. Moving right along, guys, Waterleaf Buret. In here we have about 225 seeds at a minimum. And this Waterleaf really thrives in warm weather. Only 28 to 42 days to maturity. Each pack about 225 seeds. Look. We have scent leaf. This is Ocimum gratissimum. Scent leaf is a flavorful herb from Nigeria and Ghana. In Cameroon, we know it as masepo. It's a variety of masepo. It takes about 90 days to maturity. Loves the warm weather. We have about 150 seeds in here. And last but not the least, we have Ewedu, which is a Nigerian jute leaf. The Nigerian jute leaf, this is the Yoruba variety. It produces very shiny green leaves. I have grown them before. It does very well down here in Houston, and it loves warm weather. It absolutely thrives in warm weather. I have videos on my channel on how to start Ewedu seeds because they are kind of finicky. They are what is known as hard seeds, difficult to germinate, but if you get the technique right, it is not that hard. I have a video. I'm going to put it down in the description box. Wait until it's quite warm to grow your ewedu and you would not have issues with it at all. Only 70 days to maturity. We have about 140 seeds in here. So guys, those are some of the seeds in the African Diaspora collection at True Love Seeds. If you saw anything here that you want to order, please click on my link. Use my link to order, to support my channel and to support the farmers, the people that are trying to preserve these seeds for our collective future,